Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to link focus to a lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then open a main page of settings and then click on focus. And if you want to link your focus to your lock screen, then open a focus and then choose lock screen, and here you can choose your lock screen and then simply click on lock screen and then click on add. It will be added to your focus lock screen. So go back, and if you want to add do not disturb, then simply choose here and then done, and it will be linked. So swipe down and press and hold on your screen and then simply slide right, and you can see it will be personal lock screen. So this is the way to link focus to a lock screen in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.